YouTube makeup lovers, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to Be Lounge Makeup, I really hope that you guys stick around and subscribe for more videos. So I'm here today with another luxury handbag unboxing. I'm very excited about this Saint Laurent bag that I'm going to share with you today. I have had my eye on this bag for a very long time. It's already been a couple years. It is a very classic handbag. It's the very first Saint Laurent bag that I actually purchased. The unboxing wasn't as pretty as I had hoped. This is one that I ended up having to order by mail. I mean, I did go to the store, but they didn't have the color that I wanted, so I just had it ordered. And it pretty much just came in a regular shipping box with the bag like this. So I really hope that it was gonna come in a really pretty box or something, but it didn't. So this is like a boxless unboxing, or just a regular, you know, brown type of shipping box unboxing. But the handbag is so beautiful and I absolutely love it. I just know that I'm just, I guess, used to the Louis Vuittons. You know how every time you get those, or whether you get them in store or you get them, you know, in the mail, they come in the beautiful box. But this handbag is beautiful. This is the Saint Laurent dust bag, and this is the small Loulou bag. This is one that I have had my eye on for a very long time. I haven't even taken out the little papers because I wanted to do it with you guys. This is, it still even has a tag, and this is in the dark beige color. I feel like online, when you see this bag, like on the website, it looks like a very light beige, almost like a bone color, but it is actually a very nude color. Let me turn down the light a little bit. I feel like it's showing pretty true to color right now, and it is beautiful. The YSL emblem, even though it's like Saint Laurent now, they've kept their emblem with the classic YSL, and I'm just so excited about it. I have really wanted this handbag. Here you see it from the side, from the back, the other side, and then the front. So I just was so happy to finally be able to get my hands on this bag. Online right here, it looks more like a bone type of beige. It's too bright for you to see it like on the actual camera. But when I saw it here and I got to the store, I was like, I wanted to see it, but I got to see it in the medium size, and I just love the dark beige colors more, but they didn't have the small one in the dark beige. So that's why I had to order it online, but I had been able to actually see the color at the store. I even tried on the medium. I was like, should I go medium? But the medium didn't really, it's not that long for crossbody like the small one is. The small one you can do on the shoulder if you double up the chain, or you can do the crossbody, whereas the medium size, the chain is shorter. So I feel like that one is really meant more to be a shoulder bag and not a crossbody bag. So let's go ahead and dig into this bag. I have not touched anything because I really wanted to do it with you guys. So the bag has a metallic clasp, and it's just very convenient because it just kind of closes right away as soon as you put them together. And then in the inside, it came all nice and packaged like this. So let's go ahead and take everything out of it so you see a little bit more on the inside. This also has, like, very similar to my last unboxing, which I will link it down below, with the Louis Vuitton New Wave handbag. It also has pretty much the 3 compartments. You have one big one here. You have the one with the zipper in the middle, that's very small. You have the other side on this side, and then you have kind of like a little sleeve on the end over there. But let me take apart all these little things and I will be right back so you can see the bag. Okay, so here is the bag without any of the packaging stuff. So I think it came really well packed. This one has, here you can see the strap. This is more like a burnt type of gold color. It's not a very yellowy gold. And usually, it's funny because usually I'm not a fan, like in in the Tory Burch handbags, I really don't like their burnt gold chain, but this one I think it's a very nice color, and I just think it looks very cool with this, you know, dark beige color. Again, the leather is really beautiful. You can tell it's very nice quality leather, and the strap, you can adjust it to be a shoulder strap, or you can make it a cross body. This one does have, you know, two little leather things for you to have either on your shoulder, or the other one comes down onto the bag like this if you want to use it cross body, which I love. And like I had mentioned earlier, the small Loulou is really nice to have crossbody. It's a little bit longer, the chain, than the medium Loulou. And I went with a small Loulou because I wanted a bag, again, for the evening. I feel like I have a lot of nice handbags that are like the bigger size, and I did want to get a couple more of the smaller size. I have less of those. And this classic leather style, I really didn't have any like that. So the Louis Vuitton that I just shared and this one are pretty much the two only ones that are this style, because I have more sportier ones. Like I have the Louis Vuitton Pochette Métis, you know, and I have there's another Louis Vuitton that I have in the damier canvas, a damier ebene canvas, but I can't remember, the Sienna. I was like, I blanked on the name, the Sienna. So I just really wanted something that was nude and in this leather, which I thought was really beautiful. So this dark beige color, I think it's the perfect leather. I really hope that the camera does it justice. I mean, the perfect nude is what I meant to say. It's a perfect nude, beautiful color. Again, I tend to gravitate towards more classic type of luxury bags. I feel like if you're gonna drop some money on a very nice bag, it should be something that you should try to use maybe forever, or something that, I don't know, that it's just never gonna go out of style. So let me show it to you again without all the paper, because you really couldn't tell that much. So there you see the sides, again, the front, the other side. It's like a cool chevron type of design, and here is the back of the bag. So again, the YSL sign right here in the front, very beautiful. Also has kind of like a little bit of an edge to it. And then here is the inside. This seems to fit a lot. They also have, I believe it's called the Toy Lou one, and that one I just think is a little bit too small for me. I feel like this small size is perfect. The small Loulou is perfect. So like I shared earlier, it has a lot of big space here, a lot of space here. The one in the front I feel is a little bit bigger. Then it has a little sleeve in the back, and then of course you have the zipper here in the middle, which is nice if you want to put, you know, something in there. It's a little bit smaller. It also has, oh, it has like this little like Saint Laurent, I guess I haven't opened that, but it's you know, the things that usually come with the bag, and it's just really pretty. What I love about it as well is like the chain moves very easily. Like you don't really see it getting stuck anywhere. So I like that because it's just comfortable and it's very nice and smooth. I'm also excited to test out, you know, how the bag wears, and you know, if when you go out at night, it doesn't, you know, if you have to be super careful, you know. I feel like I'm pretty careful with my handbags. I feel like these type of leather bags, you have to be a little bit more careful than with others. But from what I have heard with this bag, the wear and tear is actually really good. It's very durable. And this is like a classic bag. I mean, the price continues to go up on these handbags, which is crazy. So I feel like if you're gonna make a nice little investment on handbags, you should definitely try to get one that is nice and classic, and that I feel like classic colors, you just cannot go wrong with them. So definitely gonna be sharing with you guys how I'm loving this bag. Let me know if you would like me to do, I feel like in a couple months after I've been using them both for a while, I could probably do a little comparison of the Louis Vuitton New Wave and this Saint Laurent, the small Loulou, which have been like my two recent luxury purchases, just to kind of see how they kind of compete against each other in the future once I start using them a little bit more, and kind of let you know which of the two purchases I'm loving the most. So put in the comments down below if that's something that you would like me to share later on down the line when I use it more, and I will definitely do something like that for you guys. And I can also share, you know, these in contrast with the other ones that I have, like this more smaller type of luxury handbags that I have. But overall, I'm really excited about this one. When I buy like a luxury bag, it's not something that I usually do on a whim. It's definitely something that I've had on my list for a really, really long time. And it's just basically me pulling the trigger finally after I'm just gonna get the bag already. But definitely this has been on my mind for a long time, a few years already, and I'm glad that I finally was able to purchase it. So that is pretty much it. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this Saint Laurent unboxing video. I will make sure to put the full name of the handbag in the description box down below, just in case you guys want to check it out. I really hope that you found this video helpful. Don't forget to subscribe before you go, and I will talk to you very, very soon. Bye.